Hi, I'm Robert Meechan and I'm the System Integrator Manager for OMRON UK. My role is to build up a network of partners that can take OMRON technology and turn it into real-world solutions for the manufacturing industry. Our OMRON partners are key to our business development going forward, and we're really excited to welcome Brillopak into the OMRON family as our latest solution partner.
My name is Xavier Barraud. I'm the Engineering and Operation Director. Brillopak specializes in pick and place equipment and all the ancillaries equipment working around that machine. So the OMRON partnership, we've been talking about it for a couple of years. We started looking into it a year ago. That did give us some advantages, such as access to a roadshow that OMRON organized, where we have access to free space and also access to their customers as well as ours.
As a solution partner, Brillopak now have access to not just the OMRON UK team, the salespeople, the marketing team and the application engineers, they also have access to the wider European market. As a global company, OMRON can support Brillopak in their business ventures across Europe and further afield.
The relationship with OMRON has been developed over years. We have built a trust. We are always being informed on the new development as well as new product. We've got usually access to all those products, which we can try if we want to for free, and we have very competitive prices.
We like to think of being an OMRON solution partner as part of a very exclusive club. We will never have lots and lots of these partners because they have to be credible, they have to be highly skilled in OMRON products and really understand the market and the issues that affect the industry.
So the solution partnership further develop our relation with OMRON, and looking forward to further develop those relationships with the other partners as well as with OMRON. We're also looking for all their new product coming out, and also looking forward to be in contact with all the sales engineers across the European market. It's very exciting and hoping that we can all have a good business and be successful.